Hello everyone, in this video I will solve the first three challenges in the reversing ELF room from TryHackMe. So, okay, let's get started. I have downloaded all of the three files and I will attempt to find the flags in the files. So first, let's open the terminal here. So actually in the first two TryHackMe, we don't need to reverse anything. Just run this command and outtrace. So basically, it will trace the functions and icons in the executable file. So let's run the first TryHackMe one. So you can see here that it wants to print a string, a flag that kind of elf. So this is the result. The correct answers of this TryHackMe. And let's move to TryHackMe number 2, and let's see what we have. What's going on here? And okay, we have to enter a password. Let's enter 1. Okay, so in this TryHackMe, we'll compare our string with a super secret password, because actually here we have to enter two things: what is the password and then what is a flag. So by using ltrace, we can know which is what is the password for this file, which is this, because our string will be compared with this string. So I will execute the file again with the correct password, I hope. Okay, now we can obtain the flag. And so basically we have answered the two questions in this task. Let's move to task number 3. So we have to find a flag here, and in this challenge I think we need to reverse a little bit. Let's move to I'll use IDA free version and to reverse the application. So okay, and we'll go to the main function, and as you can see here, it's just okay. So let me analyze it a little bit. And so we first enter this function, and then we have to enter a password, like in the TryHackMe number 2. If you don't, it will show us the error, and then we return and exit the program. But if we enter something, it will go to the function and then go to this, and in this function you somehow calculate the length of a string, and then it will make a comparison 40 in a hexadecimal, and then you compare with this string. So okay, so in this function is interesting here. So suppose it will compare the string stored in this this argument with this string. So the argument xp plus 4 is returned for this function, because the function calls this function, right? But this function has to pass an argument with this to this function, and then this function, it will compare that argument with this long string, and then if it's equal, it will jump to this function. If it's equal, it will jump to this function. If not, it will print this message. So this function prints that we have the correct password. So I suppose this string is a password. So I will go to this string, okay. But the thing is that we have to find a flag with a defined structure, which is like this, the flag here. But in this case, we only obtain this kind of random meaningless string, and in CTF, sometimes we have to decode the string to get a real flag, and the most popular decoding format is base 64. So I'll try to decode base 64 in this case. Let's see if we can get a flag from the string. So I'll decode the string here, and I'll decode. Okay, so we got a string which is meaningful right now, and actually that is our flag, because I have solved this before making this video. And yeah, this is our flag, and actually we have a hint here, decode the strings. So sometimes, most of the time, we have to decode base 64. So keep in mind that it might be helpful in the future. So okay, so this is the end of this video. I have solved the 3 first challenges in this room, and in the upcoming videos I will solve all of the remaining ones, and of course the remaining ones will be more challenging than the first 3 ones, and we have to do some I think I remember that we have to debug the application to reveal the flag. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for your listening.